4 reasons why you could be suffering from an autoimmune condition. Hi, my name is Pramila Gupta and I've been living with an autoimmune disease called rheumatoid arthritis for the past 11 years. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about 4 various reasons which could be responsible for your autoimmune condition. Number 1, family history and the role of genetics. Well, if somebody in your disease has an autoimmune disease like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, or any other autoimmune condition, you are more vulnerable towards getting this disease. There are certain kind of genes too called the HLA genes which could also be one of the reason. If you have that gene, you could be more susceptible to getting an autoimmune condition. The second most important reason why you could have got this disease is because of the environment. Well, environment is a very vast thing, and let me break it down further for you to understand it better. Environment refers to any of your actions, your emotions, your food choices, or even the people that whom you meet with are part of your environment. So one of the reason which is considered in the environment, which is the most important one, is your gut health and your diet. Well, the gut health is responsible. 70% of our immune system is in the gut. So if your gut health is imbalanced, it could trigger the immune system and it could cause the toxins to enter the bloodstream and cause inflammation, which could lead to an autoimmune disease. The inflammation in the gut is caused by inflammatory food in your diet. If your food consists more of sugar, processed food, fried food, dairy, meats, or alcohol, smoking, coffee, if these are more in your diet as compared to anti-inflammatory food like fruits, vegetables, certain spices like turmeric or nuts and seeds and whole grains, if these do not are not in the front seat, whereas the inflammatory food are more in your diet, that could be one of the reasons that could have triggered an autoimmune disease because of the gut microbiome getting disturbed. The other one could be an overuse of antibiotics and painkillers. That also disbalances the gut microflora, the flora of your gut, and it could make the gut more permeable or could allow more of the pathogens to enter the bloodstream. This could be another reason why you could have developed an autoimmune condition. If you have a lot of stress, that could be also a reason for causing an autoimmune condition, because stress it triggers the flight and fight mode in the body, which in turn tells the immune system that the body is under attack, and it starts reacting by causing inflammation in the body. The other one could be toxic relationships or emotional the imbalance in your emotions, or not getting good sleep. These are again some of the reasons that could have caused an autoimmune disease. The fourth reason could be the gender. While women are 2 to 3 times more susceptible to getting an autoimmune condition as compared to men. So, well, these are a couple of the reasons that I would say that if you are, could be one of the reasons why you did get this disease. While an autoimmune condition, you cannot really put it in a box and say this is the only reason why you have got it. But looking into these reasons and investigating them further could give you an insight into knowing that if one of these were responsible for your condition, maybe changing your environment, your lifestyle habits, your food habits, and changing certain things in the way you have been living till now, it could reduce your inflammation and it could be a reason to reduce your autoimmune condition. So if you have found this video useful, do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be sharing a lot more about autoimmune conditions, especially about rheumatoid arthritis. So do give it a like and subscribe below. Thank you.